Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. Inshallah, in this series, we are going to start learning Qaida, the very first step of learning to read the Holy Quran correctly with Tajweed rules. Through these lessons, we will learn how to pronounce Arabic letters properly, understand their sounds, shapes, and joining, and slowly move towards reading words and verses fluently. Remember, Tajweed means to recite beautifully and correctly, just as our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited. Okay, so let's begin our journey together, step by step, with patience and practice to learn the correct pronunciation and the beauty of Quranic recitation. Okay, so let's start our first lesson. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So here we have Alif. Okay, this is a simple and one word. Okay, and then Ba. Okay, here we have, so in the English words alphabetic, BA means simple Ba. Okay, here we have on the Alif is ALIF, Alif. Okay, and then here we have Ta. Okay, simple, and then we have Tha. Okay, so how to pronounce the Tha word? Okay, it's a simple, to touch the tip of tongue with the upper two teeth's edges. Okay, so it will be pronounced. Okay, Tha, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Okay, so here we have Jim, JEEM, means a simple word, Jim. Okay, and then we have Ha. Okay, so here you see HA. So how to pronounce it clearly? Okay, with the Tajweed rules, when you pronounce it, it will it will make from your middle part of throats. Okay, Ha. And then we have Ho. This is the bold word, and with the full mouth. Okay, Ho. Okay, and then we have Dal. Okay, DAL, Dal. And then we have Zal. Okay, so how to, here we have two words. This is in the first, in the beginning, they have not the same voice. Okay, this is Za, but here we have, this is Zal. So how to pronounce it? Okay, touch the tip of tongue with the upper two teeth's edges. Zal, with the soft voice. Okay, and then we have Raw. This is the bold word, and also with the full mouth. Raw. And then we have Za. This is a hard word. This is soft and this is hard. Okay, Za, just Za. This is Zal, Zal, and then we have, this is Za, just ZA. Here we have ZAL. Okay, Zal with the soft voice, and then this is the hard one. Okay, Za. Okay, so here we have Seen, SEEN, Seen. Okay, and then we have Sheen, SHEEN. Okay, Seen, and then Sheen. They have different voices. Okay, and here we have Sod. Okay, this is a bold word with the full mouth. Make it from your full mouth. Sod. Okay, and then we have Dod. Okay, with the full mouth, and also this is a bold word. Okay, and then we have To. To. This is also a bold word with the full mouth. And then we have Zo. okay, a bold word with the full mouth, okay. And then ain, ain. Okay, so how to pronounce it? From your upper part of throats, okay, ain. And then we have ghain, ghain with the full mouth and bold word, ghain. Fa, simple, fa, like we pronounce when we have fa, so we how to pronounce it, fa, simple. And then we have qaf, qaf with the bold word. This is the bold word with the full mouth, okay. Pronounce it with the full mouth, qaf, okay. And here we have, this is the kaf but not the bold, simple, kaf. This is with the full mouth, this is not the full mouth. They have different voices, okay. Lam, lam, okay. And here we have meme, m, meme. And then we have noon, noon, noon. And here we have wow, wao, wow, okay. It's clear. And here we have ha. So how to pronounce this? Ha, because here we have the other ha. So they have the different voices, okay. So this ha is pronounced from your middle part of throats, and here this one is from your end part of throat, and also some like from your chest also. When you pronounce it, from the voice will be make from your end part of throat, okay. uh, and then we have here hamza, 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 okay. And also this is simple hamza. And also we have ya, and the same as like the other ya. They have different they have different shapes, but these are same, ya and ya, okay. So that's all for today. We will meet again in the next class, inshallah.